Let's do something I should have done a long time ago. Hey, what's up guys, Rado here, and this is my 2002 Yamaha TW200 or tdub, many people call it a tdub. This is a legendary bike, it's an iconic bike, it's a tank, it runs forever, and it's pretty much amazing. But it has one major flaw, and we have to fix this flaw today. So this tdub here, as you look at it, there's not many things that you need to change on this bike. It's really an incredible bike, it's well built. It was first built as a farm bike, but many people love this thing and they just run it and ride it everywhere. Now check out these foot pegs. These are as big as my thumb, and I really don't understand why would Yamaha keep putting these kind of foot pegs on TW, which is otherwise amazing bike and is really well built. Like when you get a bike for your 3-year-old son or daughter, the little PW that is so small that you can't really sit on that thing, it comes with the same set of foot pegs. They're about this big and about this wide. So this, I don't really understand why Yamaha keeps putting these small foot pegs on this tdub for how many years now? Since 1987, for over 30 years. But today I have a solution. I have something from IMS. I'm using IMS company very often, 4 tanks, 4 foot pegs, and I had very good results with their products. So today we're gonna change these foot pegs and make this bike perfect. Taking these little jokers out is pretty straightforward. You can take some kind of I have this Motion Pro tool here, so you made them a little bit straight, and then finish it up with some kind of pliers. Once you have that, turn it around. All right, this is it. Get your hammer, and these little jokers are coming out. All right, here we go. We can leave the spring in there so we know how it goes. Let's see. Oh, yep, it's out. And then you just take your hammer and bring these puppies out. Oh, we can leave this in. But check that out, this is a foot peg. Oh Lord. Alright, let's look at these IMS foot pegs here. Great company based in California, using their products a long time. Oversized tanks, foot pegs, then catch cans for your coolant system. Alright, look at that. IMS Super Stack. These bad boys will work really well. Let's look one more time how different these sizes are. This is a normal grown-up foot peg, and this little thing right here, this is stuff for kids. And even for kids, I think the bigger the better. Alright, so the trickiest part to install these foot pegs here is to figure out where the spring goes, and then once you figure it out, then you need to have some kind of technique to install this spring, because you have to install it under the pressure. So this is what I would do right here. Put it where it was before. So always take picture of your old foot peg. That's the best way to remember it. Or like in my case, I did a video. Then you take your pin and start it first. Go through the frame and go through the foot peg. So right now the foot peg is there and the pin is started, right? But my spring is not where it should be. So I'm gonna take a screwdriver and I'm gonna move it around until it sits in the place, and then just push the pin in and make sure that it goes there. You go. Now the spring is working, the foot peg is where it's supposed to be. It's way bigger. Now look at that. It's such a huge difference in the area of this foot peg, it's not even funny. Last thing to do would be to finish it up with this little pin right here. Put it through. Move it a little bit so we can split it. I'm gonna hold my pin from this side and then just try to start a little bit. Once you start it, then it will be easier. Just like that. can take a little needle nose, pliers. Move it like that. There you go. So foot peg number 1 is done, and now we do the same on the other side. Second foot peg, always put it in before just to make sure that the fit is right. You know, this is how it's supposed to be. And also important thing, this spin goes from the top always, never from the bottom. Now spring, we know where it goes because we have picture or video from before. And also it's not so hard to figure out. Just always make it easier on you if you can. Get the picture now. We'll start the pin through the foot peg. Make sure it aligns. Look from the top. There you go. Now what we need to do, we're gonna push this thing in so we can actually get through. I check it from the bottom. I know it's aligned, so it should go in just like that. There you go. You can hit it with a hammer if it doesn't go in. And then again, the last part would be to install this safety thingy. And we are done. All right, my friends, and the installation is done, and I'm feeling so much better on the bike. I cannot tell you how different it feels standing on something solid like this. And one thing I like about these foot pegs is that they're not too sharp, they're not too aggressive. I can actually put my hand on them, no problem. And they have nice area, but not too sharp. You know, many times this is a grocery getter and play bike. So I'm not in my full motocross gear all the time. Sometimes I'm just in like tennis shoes or Converse shoes or something that is not meant for the aggressive dirt bike riding, right? So I just go on a little cruise on a pavement. Then these foot pegs are amazing because they still keep you plenty. They are spiky enough so you don't slide around, but they are not destroying your shoes, and they are just a happy medium for everything I need. So IMS, good job guys. These foot pegs will feel 100 times better on this tdub. If you guys have stuck Yamaha TW, this is the #1 must-have, must-do mod for these amazing bikes. All right, my friends, well, that's about it for today. Let me know below in the comments, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.